Alright guys, I got my boy Enrique right here with luxury finishing detailing.
Yes.
And we're gonna have a quick little word with him so you could let you know what type of services he provides and his number and where to contact him.
Yes.
All
So I am a mobile auto detailer located in like Belton, Temple, surrounding areas, and well, today I'm detailing this beautiful 5.0 Mustang, and I provide a lot of services where that goes to full details, disaster details, seat shampooing, paint enhancement, paint polishing, all of the good stuff. If you want to hit me up, it's Luxury Finish Auto Detailing. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, I believe Google, and yeah.
Perfect. What's your phone number, bro?
254-346-7158.
Perfect. Alright, y'all make sure you tap in with my boy. Right here's the beginning of how this is looking, the before, and he's gonna get it done, and we'll give you a nice little walk around at the end. Y'all make sure and support his business. If you need a detailing for your vehicle here in the Central Texas area, but check him out.
Yeah. ¿Cómo se llama?
Dile de lean. Alright, this is how it looks right now.
The car. Yes. I'm watching you. You're getting clean. Good. After I'm done.
Aki's a nice little before as well. Check that out. Let's get it. Alright guys, we got the finished product right here. Look at that. Amazing job. Super clean. Look at that. Very clean work. I'll make sure you tap in with my boy right here. He'll get you right. Looking clean. Look at that. Super nice. It's like a mirror on the car, bro. We can see. Super. Alright, guys. Yep. That's how it's looking. I'll make sure and tap in with my boy. Does a great job. Happy customer. Super neat.